Here we finally are, KTM's brand new Duke 790 in black and orange. These are 2019 models that just showed up this morning. And I think, a lot of people who are following this stuff have been looking at the specs. KTM has been showing these bikes off in different forms as a bike called the Scalpel, which I think was 2016 and was shown as a concept. And they've really done a pretty admirable job of retaining most of the feel, the silhouette, and the look of that bike. What really makes this bike so exciting is the engine and that 790cc parallel twin. And what's awesome about it is instant power, lots of torque, very, very smooth, and then extremely compact. So what's really impressive about these bikes is the standard features and then available features are things that were normally reserved for 1290 Super Duke. If you wanted to get into a quick shifter, track pack, if you wanted to get into those types of options, it was just a 1290 Super Duke and some of the other full-size bikes that offer that stuff. On this bike, it's an available option to get a quick shifter for up and down quick shifts. On these machines, you can do a tour option, a sport option, but you can also buy a track pack. And the track pack allows you to turn the traction control and ABS completely off, and it also has some settings that are enhanced for the lower levels running slicks. Little things about KTM's from a rider standpoint, you have some adjustment. Typically, if you want to adjust your rear sets or if you want to mess around with the handlebar, look to the aftermarket. You start to make those types of changes for those kind of solutions. And something that KTM does on a lot of their bikes, you can move the top clamps forward because of how they're shaped and because of the offset. So you have the ability to adjust the length of your cockpit. I always appreciate KTM's little innovations like that. And all these things I keep mentioning, it's nothing revolutionary, but it is exciting to see all of these things on a bike for under 12 grand. So, I haven't ridden one of these bikes yet, but just looking at it from a numbers perspective, it's going to be an incredible bike.